The Patriot Act includes rental housing. And the Patriot Act includes rental housing in the following way. It allows you to ask for additional documentation if you feel that someone is not a U.S. citizen. Now, I'm not saying that you are allowed in any way, shape, or form to make that determination on your own. If someone came into your office and they didn't speak a word of English and they brought an interpreter, that doesn't mean they're not a citizen. You ask for a social and a state-issued photo ID from everyone. If that person provides you with a visa, now the visa gives you the idea that that person is not a citizen. Now you can ask for additional documentation until you're satisfied, because every single person who was involved in September 11th lived in rental housing, and they still don't buy, they still rent. So you're sitting ducks when it comes to rental housing.